Hi, I'm Melanie Gable.
And I'm your daughter, Clara.
And we're reporting for Attractions Magazine. We're here at the Pixar Place Hotel.
And we're going to do the Pixar Putt.
Yes, to experience Pixar Putt, which is a traveling mini golf course that is themed to Pixar. It's 18 holes, and it is here for a limited time at the Pixar Place Hotel in Anaheim. So we're going to go check it out and have some fun.
Yeah, I bet it's going to be so fun.
It is. All right, we are in the lobby of the Pixar Place Hotel, and this is the entrance to Pixar Putt, and it's right here in the lobby. So we'll go on.
It looks so fun.
Very cute. And as we go in, you're greeted by a Pixar Putt golf cart, themed to Pixar, of course, with the Pizza Planet on top, Pizza Planet rocket. Here we are we're with Joy and Anxiety, and then Clara is choosing her putter and getting the balls. So how many do we need? Just one each?
Yeah, you get one golf ball each.
Okay. Which one are you going to get? Green? Okay,
Green.
I'll pick an orange one.
Okay.
And then I need my putter as well, right? Okay. All right. This one is Monsters, Inc. themed. So this is the first par. Oh, give it another try.
Okay.
Here we go. We've got a little Sully representation there, and the doors from Monsters, Inc. You can do it!
Yeah.
Yes! Good job! Very cool. Yeah. All right, the next area, the next hole is themed to Elemental. And we've got
The
Element City. And over
the
here,
elemental hole. It's the elemental
we
hole.
have Wade and Ember. All right, next we have the
we've got-
turning red area, and we've got Mei Mei in the middle. Oh, so close. Okay.
Yeah, this is going to be hard. It goes right through Meme's legs.
Okay, here we go. All right, we got to get it into the four-town flag. Yes, that is Wally. And
It's so cool. It's so cool.
Really
Just
cool.
Look, it's so cool.
What do you
And
see?
So we got a fire extinguisher right here.
Yes.
And our silly Wally right here. And we also got Eva. And there's like a little ramp that goes all the way up to Eva. And I guess this is
And
just
she's
like
got
a little
plant
I
right
guess
there.
it's just like a little additional hole or something. I think it
Yeah.
goes over to this hole, but I can't really tell. So like, at
With
least
the
yeah.
B&L logo.
And we got a
And
heart
there's
right
Wally.
here with the flag,
Wow,
which
he's
marks
so
the
cute.
beginning. Which marks the beginning.
Hole we have, hole
Alright.
5 is themed to Toy Story.
I just want to try and
You
get it
gotta
up.
try to get the ball into Benson's creepy mouth.
Yeah,
All
but
right.
that's not his tongue. That's not his tongue.
No, that's
It's
not
like
his
a little
tongue.
ramp.
Or it could be.
Oh,
This one looks like one of the more challenging ones. Oh, and when
but
you
there's also a
hit
little
it,
hole where you can like make the ball go through.
yeah, it goes to the back and right
So it's a
into
little
the
easier. It's a little
second
easier
chance
that way.
antique sign.
Second
Right,
chance.
we're on hole 6, which is themed to Inside Out 2. And this is a really challenging one. Clara just did it. You try to hit the ball into one of
I
these
made it.
little
It's so
spots.
it's so awesome. I made it.
Good job.
It's
And
like
then it'll
someone took
go
the flag
through
out.
here
And
and
down.
to Luca. And they've got the whole village here.
Back.
And the little Vespa. You're back.
Yeah. This
And the
spot.
ocean, a little serpent tail.
Oh, this one's really hard because it's like a ramp.
Yeah, it's really challenging,
You need
huh?
to get this
We're
can
at
go into
hole
any
8,
hole.
the Disney
Is there
Pixar,
like
The
a specific hole
Incredibles.
we're gonna do? Oh yeah, I have to make it into this hole right here because it's the black hole.
And we've got the big robot. Which one is that from? Incredibles 1 or 2?
That's the first movie, I believe.
And so you have to get it through the big robot.
Yeah,
We're at hole 9. It's themed to Ratatouille. And this is one of the cutest ones. You go through the whole kitchen.
Did it go through?
So we've got the
I don't see
hat
anything. Oh,
with Remy's
Oh!
tail sticking out.
It
There
went-
it is.
it went
You go
through.
through the cheese, the milk,
Did it
go
go?
down the baguette. More cheese.
Yeah!
Head to hole 10, finding Nemo
Come
themed.
back
There's
to
this
mine.
whole dock where you go past the seagulls, and it's hard to hear, but they have little sound effects too that go with it. Little seagull sounds. The music is also really fun as part of this as well with Pixar themed music. All right, we're here at hole 11, themed to Pixar's Onward.
Inside this. Right,
and then we've got the van there that the two guys drive.
Hold on, let me see where this hole goes. I can't see.
And symbols from the movie.
Oh, it did! It goes!
You did it!
It went.
So you have to hit it into the van, and then it'll come out the back. You did it!
I did it!
One of our family favorites, Pixar Soul. And, oh, you go down the piano keys.
You're not allowed to stand on the piano keys because it says
you can't
Joe's
stand on
keys
it.
are for playing, not standing. Please do not stand on the keys and enjoy the course.
Okay, so you have to very carefully try to get that to go down the keys, and then oh, you just press on that. Give it a little flick. Oh wow!
Almost in the
Which is
ramp.
also Toy Story themed, but this one is themed to Buzz.
Oh
So you
God!
kind of have to go.
I did not expect
this
that
little area, the ramp. Buzz's chest plate right there. Hole 14 for A Bug's Life. And they've got this little Bug's Life leaf. Big oversized props, the button guy,
Yay!
the bottle cap. You did it!
I did it!
And the big leaves, all reminiscent of Bug's Life. And this one is themed to Pixar's Coco. You made it?
Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. That was almost
There is
a
Miguel / Hector's guitar.
Yay! I made it!
We've got the beautiful flags, the Marigold Bridge. And you made it?
Yeah, I made it.
This is one of the more elaborate ones, I think. And then we're at hole 16.
That was hard.
Doing the Cars themed one. This one looks very challenging.
Yay!
So you have to like hit it through this little path.
I mean, it's just so hard, so I just cheated.
And then it goes through a loop-de-loop and then out.
I just said it all the way
inside
around.
out. And we've got
Oh God, oh God, oh God. You know what?
the memories lined up there. Oh, this one's very challenging.
Yay! It's
so
hard!
I think you have to get it up
It's
into
really
here
hard.
and down and around. Hole 18, and down and into Pixar's Up. And this is
Oh
where
my God, oh my
they
God,
will take
oh
your
my
ball
God.
at the end of the session. So basically, you're trying to hit it into the house, and then it'll go up into the waterfall. Oh, here we go. Oh, wow.
Oh God, is he gonna stay in there?
Look at that.
That's so awesome!
Oh, it's going over a waterfall. How cute.
It's so cool!
And then down it goes.
Oh God!
Oh,
Is it gonna be the hole? Oh, no.
not yet. I think you get one.
This is the last hole!
I
This
know.
is
You
the
get
last
another
hole!
shot. Yeah.
Yay! I finished!
I thought it was so awesome. I liked the inside out wheel. It was so fun.
That was your favorite part of the course? Yeah, it was really fun. As we said before, it's an 18-hole mini golf course. It's great for families. Everyone in the family can join in. And it is here for a limited time at the Pixar Place Hotel in Anaheim, California. It's traveling all around the country, so you want to be sure to go ahead and check it out while you're here. It's indoors, so you don't have to worry about getting sunburned or wearing sunscreen. And you can find out more at pixarputt.com. Thank you.